Howdy folks, Brad from wpsites.net. This is video 12 in the video tutorial series for beginners, and we're going to take a look at widgets. Widgets enable you to add content and display different types of content in different widget areas, and it really depends on what type of theme you're using. Different themes offer different widget areas. Some only offer one or two widget areas. Other offer a large range of widget areas. If you can see on my site, you can see the social media icons here in the header. These have been put there by using what they call a header right widget area. So I'll show you that in a minute. And this theme that I'm using also includes a huge range of different widget areas, so I can simply drag content and display different types of content in the sidebar widget area, the header widget area, and also the footer widget area, so without the need to do any coding, PHP or CSS coding. So widgets are very flexible. They enable you to easily customize the look and the appearance of your site. So let's just have a look in the back end here of my theme, which is a StudioPress theme built on the Genesis framework, and we'll go into the widget area, and you can see these social media icons here. These are the ones that we just saw display, and I'll take another look at them. Here they are here. These are in the header right widget area. As we can see, we've logged into the WordPress dashboard, and basically I've just installed the plugin, the Candy Social Media Icons plugin, and that has created a widget which I've dragged over from here into this header right widget area, and that activates the widget and displays the social media icons. So that's very easy to do. I could easily remove that, and I could put it down here into the inactive widget area, and we'll just see how that affects the site. That will remove it from here. You can see the social media icons have disappeared. So this is the features that widgets give you. It enables you to easily customize your site, and it's a really great feature of WordPress. I'll just put them back in now. I'll find them. Candy Social Media Icons. It's a free plugin, so if you like those icons, just search for it. Go to plugins in the left hand side here, add new, and type that into the search box, and you'll be able to install this plugin. Now I've also got the primary sidebar area, secondary sidebar area, and I've got all these different widgets that are included in the theme I'm using. Now let's just have a look at the default theme, and this is what we've been this is our demo theme where we've been building the site on. And you only get 3 different widget areas with the 2012 default theme for WordPress. You've got the main sidebar area, and you've also got 2 front page widgets. So it's not a lot of widget areas, not a lot of flexibility with the default theme. We'll just have a look at the front end of the theme, and you see here we've got the primary sidebar widget area, and we'll drag something in there, and we'll just show you how it works. So we'll go here. Here's all the available default widgets, and all these widgets are installed as soon as you install WordPress. So every WordPress site will have access to these widgets, and basically all you need to do is drag them over, drag them into the widget area. In this case it's the main sidebar widget area. You can put in a title, save the changes, and if you have a look at the front end, it'll be displayed. So we just added the calendar widget, which is a default widget for WordPress, and this adds a calendar of your different posts. So there's quite a large range of different default widgets that are installed when you install WordPress, and you can easily change them just by dragging them across into the widget area. Now let's look at the most popular widget, and this is what they call the text widget. So we can drag the text widget into the main sidebar area. You can place any type of code in here. So if you're using Aweber or MailChimp, you can just paste it into there and that'll display your form, your sign up forms. You can put your RSS feed code in there. You can put any type of HTML in there. So it's a very highly flexible widget. It's called the text widget, and you can put in any type of text or HTML into that widget. So let's just look at an example of that. We'll go to all posts and we'll just take out some HTML, and I'll show you how that works. So we'll go into text. We'll just copy this. Go to appearance widgets, and we'll just paste it in there. You can put a header in there. Welcome to WordPress, and that should mark up the title to make it larger size, larger font size. So we'll just go back there, and here you can see welcome to WordPress, and let's put that HTML in there. So so that's a very popular widget. Let's take a look at and removing widgets is very easy, as you saw before. You just go to the widget area and you can easily just drag them out here. The settings will be saved, so they'll just be stored in the inactive widget area, and if you want to put them later, you can drag them in later. So that's really easy. If you're using the 2011 default theme, which is included in all new installations of WordPress as well, you'll get more widget areas. So let's just have a look at that. Let's just go to appearance themes, and we'll enable the 2011 theme. So we'll activate that, and we'll have a look at the different widget areas this theme offers. So this just gives you an example of what widget areas different themes enable you to use. Now you can see here with the 2011 default theme, we've got a main sidebar widget area. We've also got a showcase sidebar, and it's also created different footer widget areas, which is quite good. If you like the footer widget area in a website and you want to put stuff down here, then you want widget areas for that. It just makes it really easy to make changes and add content. So you can put in a list of your categories in there, maybe a list of certain pages that you want to display there, a list of your archives, or a list of your links, anything you like really. So you just drag the widgets in, save the changes, and we'll just check what that does. Okay, this is the 2011 default theme, so if you like that theme, that'll be installed with WordPress as well. And you can see what it's done here. It's just created the different widget areas. Here you've got categories, got a list of all the pages, and you've got your archives there. It goes down a fair way, so you could cut that off if you want and make it all flush with the bottom of your site. So this is the 2011 default theme. So it's a really nice theme. It's a bit different to the latest one, which tends to be more minimalistic. So let's just have a look at what happens when you install a plugin, which also creates a widget. So we'll go to plugins, add new, and I'll just show you those social media widgets because they're quite popular. Candy Social. So let's see if we can find this. Candy Social widget. So when you install a lot of plugins, it actually creates different widgets as well. Activate the plugin. And don't worry about those errors. I've just removed some plugins. Go to appearance widget area, and you'll see it's created a Candy social media icons widget. So that's just added it to your site, and all you do is drag it into the widget area where you want to display your social media icons, and then you just put the address to your different social media accounts. So in this case it'll be YouTube. So I'll just type in youtube.com/user, and my ID for YouTube is WordPress sites. So I'll just show you how this works. Save the changes. and you can see it's displayed the YouTube social icon there. So that's how easy it is to use widgets. They really are a great feature of WordPress, and activating and changing the widgets is really easy. It's something that I think you'll enjoy using in WordPress. So that's it, folks. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers.